morning, everyone.
Good morning.
This week we are talking about what?
Cultural.
And part of our culture is the flags. Each country around the world have their own flag. Each country have their own flag. And each flag is very nice because it's full of colors. If you can see, this is some examples of the flags around the world. Each flag has different colors, so you can recognize. Once you see this flag, you're gonna say, oh, this is Japan. Oh, this is Australia. Oh, this is China. Oh, this is Mexico. So each flag have different colors. Today we have here some examples of some flags from our countries around the world. We're gonna learn today about the flag and we're gonna see the names of the flags. Okay, my friends? Let's see the first one. I think everybody should know this flag, right? Texas? No, it's the United States of America. Good job. This flag is for the United States of America. It's for our country.
Remember, why is there 50 stars? Because there's 50 states.
Yes. Why we have 50 stars again?
Because there's 50 states.
Because we have 50 states. That's why we have 50 stars. Let's see here the name. We're gonna match the names with the flags. Let's find the United States. Once you see it, tell me, okay?
No.
Oh, no. This is United Kingdom. Not United States. We're looking for United States. Okay, let's find it. Good job. So this is the United